Two paths to the cosmos, mysticism and materialism. Humanity has long gazed at the cosmos with a mixture of awe and bewilderment. What is our place in this vast universe? What is the nature of reality itself? Two distinct paths have emerged in our quest to understand existence, the mystical and the materialist. The mystic finds solace in the unseen, the spiritual realm that binds us all. The materialist seeks answers in the tangible, the observable laws that govern the cosmos. Both perspectives offer valuable insights into the human condition and our relationship with the universe. These paths are not necessarily mutually exclusive. They can coexist, each enriching our understanding of the profound questions that have captivated thinkers for millennia. By exploring both the mystical and the materialist, we can gain a more comprehensive and nuanced perspective on the nature of life and our place within it. The mystical gaze, a universe of purpose. Mysticism, in its various forms, posits a universe imbued with purpose and interconnectedness. It suggests that there is more to reality than meets the eye, a realm beyond the grasp of our senses and scientific instruments. This realm is often described as spiritual or divine, the source of all creation and the ultimate destination of our souls. For the mystic, life is not merely a random occurrence, it is a journey of self-discovery, a quest for enlightenment and union with the divine. This perspective emphasizes the importance of intuition, inner experience, and a deep connection to something larger than ourselves. It seeks meaning and purpose in the face of life's inevitable challenges, finding solace in the belief that we are part of a grand cosmic tapestry. The materialist's lens, order from chaos. In contrast to the mystic's focus on the unseen, the materialist finds truth in the tangible. Materialism asserts that the universe and everything in it, including life itself, can be explained by natural laws and processes. The universe, from this viewpoint, is not the product of a divine designer, but rather the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution, governed by the immutable laws of physics and chemistry. Life, according to the materialist, arose from non-living matter through a process called abiogenesis. It evolved over eons, driven by natural selection and random mutation. Consciousness, too, is seen as an emergent property of complex biological systems, a product of our evolved brains rather than a divine spark. While the materialist perspective might seem to strip away the enchantment from the universe, it also reveals a profound beauty in the elegance and complexity of natural processes. Beyond the horizon, the limits of our knowing. Both the mystical and the materialist perspectives, while offering valuable insights, are ultimately limited by the constraints of human understanding. Our brains, products of evolution, are wired to perceive the world in a specific way, a way that may not encompass the full scope of reality. Our senses provide us with only a limited window into the vast spectrum of energy and information that surrounds us. It is crucial to acknowledge that our current scientific understanding is not the final word. The history of science is littered with discarded theories and paradigms that were once considered absolute truths. What we perceive as the limits of knowledge today may be surpassed by future discoveries, revealing new layers of reality previously unimagined. Perhaps the key to unlocking deeper truths about existence lies in transcending the limitations of our current modes of thought. Both mysticism and materialism, in their own ways, point towards the importance of moving beyond the confines of the rational mind. Mysticism encourages us to quiet the incessant chatter of the ego and tap into the intuitive wisdom that resides within. This resonates with the concept of mindfulness, a state of present moment awareness that allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. By cultivating stillness and presence, we can access a different way of knowing, one that is not bound by the limitations of language and linear thinking. The paradox of choice-free will in a determined universe. One of the most enduring philosophical debates centers around the concept of free will. Do we truly have the power to choose our own destinies, or are our actions predetermined by a complex web of cause and effect? This question takes on particular significance when considered through the lens of both mysticism and materialism. If the universe is indeed governed by immutable laws, as materialists propose, then it stands to reason that our actions, being part of that universe, are also subject to those laws. However, the subjective experience of free will is undeniable. We feel as though we are making choices, big and small, every day. Perhaps the answer lies in embracing the paradox. Embracing the duality, the dance of opposites. The universe as we experience it is replete with dualities: light and darkness, creation and destruction, order and chaos. These seemingly opposing forces are not mutually exclusive, but rather two sides of the same coin, inextricably intertwined. Similarly, the concepts of free will and determinism, while seemingly paradoxical, may simply reflect the limitations of our current understanding. Instead of viewing these concepts as mutually exclusive, perhaps it is more helpful to see them as complementary aspects of a larger reality, a reality that transcends our current capacity for comprehension. By embracing the duality inherent in our existence, we open ourselves up to a more expansive and nuanced understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. A universe of wonder, the joy of discovery. Regardless of whether we lean towards a mystical or materialist perspective, one thing remains constant. The universe is a place of endless wonder and discovery. The vastness of space, the intricate dance of subatomic particles, the very fact that life exists at all, these are testaments to the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of the cosmos. By approaching the universe with a sense of curiosity and open-mindedness, we embark on a journey of lifelong learning. Each new discovery, whether it be a scientific breakthrough or a profound personal insight, deepens our appreciation for the mystery and grandeur of existence. The unending quest, a celebration of life. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our individual lives may seem fleeting and insignificant, yet it is precisely this fleeting nature that makes our time on this planet so precious. The quest to understand our place in the universe is not merely an intellectual pursuit, it is a celebration of life itself. It is through asking these profound questions, seeking answers in both the seen and unseen, that we come to appreciate the wonder and fragility of our own existence. The journey towards understanding is not about finding definitive answers, but rather about embracing the mystery, the awe, and the profound beauty of it all. Let us continue to explore, question, and celebrate the extraordinary gift of life in this vast and enigmatic universe. Shasha 2024